In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in InVideo using an AI-generated prompt. We're going to move from a blank idea to a fully generated video by combining an AI writing tool with InVideo's built-in generator. Keep your topic in mind and let's get started. First, open the InVideo website in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to create a new video. This is your starting point for building the project. If you're asked to choose an aspect ratio or a template, pick what fits your platform, like vertical for mobile or horizontal for YouTube. You can use a blank canvas or a simple template. Either works because your prompt will guide the content. It can also help to give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, go to an AI engine such as ChatGPT or any similar tool. Your goal here is to produce a clear, detailed prompt that tells InVideo exactly what to make. Think about your topic, your audience, the tone, and the outcome you want. You can ask the AI to write a prompt for, say, a 1-minute explainer with a friendly tone, captions on screen, and light background music. Ask it to include a brief hook, 3 key points, and a simple call to action. If needed, specify the language, preferred duration, visual style, and whether you want stock footage, icons, or bold text overlays. If the first result feels vague, ask the AI to add concrete details, examples, or keywords relevant to your subject. When it looks right, copy the entire prompt, return to InVideo, and paste that prompt into the appropriate field. Depending on your interface, this might be labeled script, prompt, or text to video. Make sure everything pasted correctly with no missing lines or odd characters. A quick read through here helps avoid confusion later. Now click Generate. InVideo will start assembling scenes, selecting visuals, and drafting voiceover or captions based on your prompt. This can take a little time, depending on the length of your script and the assets needed. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it works. Once the generation completes, you'll see a preview of your auto-created video. That's it for the core workflow. You went to InVideo, created a new video, used an AI engine to craft a strong prompt, pasted it in, clicked Generate, waited for the process, and you're done. From here, you can watch the preview and decide if you want to refine it later, but the main process is complete.